Tony, Tina, Tony are the best of friends. Tina, Tony, fun that never ends. No matter what the weather, we sing out loud together. Tina, Tony, never want to stay at home. Tina, Tony, just like salt and pepper. Tina, Tony, have their fun whenever. No matter what the weather, we sing out loud together. Tina, Tony, never want to stay at home. Tina, Tony, never want to stay at home now. Tina, Tony.
Bird brain. Tony, I'm done. Now you can go have a turn on the jump rope.
No, 'cause I'm a hippo, not a rabbit.
Well, lucky for you, you can actually be anyone.
Oh, yeah? So you could just become, a bird?
Of course I could. Just watch. I'll do it.
No, you don't have wings.
That's true. But I have ears. I'll just use these to fly. Up, up, and away. It's not so easy.
Told you you're not a bird.
Hang on. Not every bird has to fly. Like penguins. Check this out. I'll be the best flightless bird there ever was.
All right, then. You can walk like a bird. But tell me this. What will you eat? Birds eat worms.
They eat what? I can't do it. It's not the worm's fault.
But also because you're an elephant and not a bird.
Birds can eat seeds, too. Come on, Tony. Let's find some. I'll be a bird that eats only seeds. Ta-da! As you can see, I'm a marvelous flightless seed-eating Tina bird. Looks like they're migrating for the winter. They're finding a new home. I think I should go too, since I'm a full-fledged bird and all. Farewell, friend. Guess I'll see you next spring.
I know you need to migrate, but I'll miss you. Aha! Tina, don't go yet. Tina, wait. Wait! Aren't there kinds of birds that don't fly south in winter? Like pigeons, sparrows.
I like the way you think, Tony. And if I'm staying here, looks like I'll need to make me a warm nest. See, Tony? I told you I could become a bird.
No, you're not. Real birds hang around on trees. They spend almost all their time up there.
Piece of cake.
Stop! That's dangerous!
Do not worry, Tony. Birds never fall down from trees.
Tina, are you okay?
It's just need to train my wings more. It's regular old bird stuff.
Hey, you win, okay? You can be anything you want to be. You became a real bird. Huh?
Aha! I'm right. That means you can finally jump like a rabbit with me.